Hello everyone, we have some exciting news for our viewers, especially for all the Ibrahim Celikkol fans out there. After his popular series Kush Yushu, Ibrahim Celikkol is back with a brand new project. Ibrahim Celikkol has recently completed the shooting of the second and third seasons of the Netflix series Kush Yushu. But what's even more exciting is that, after İlhan San's withdrawal from the lead role of Salahaddin Ayyubi due to multiple filming delays, in addition to the producer's decision to broadcast the series on TRT1 channel instead of a digital platform, Ibrahim Celikkol has signed an agreement for another captivating series called Salahaddin Ayyubi. In this new series, Ibrahim Celikkol will portray the legendary hero, Salahaddin Ayyubi, who played a significant role in freeing Jerusalem from the Crusaders' occupation. The series is being produced by Akalay Film and Ansari Shah Films and will be filmed in the beautiful city of Jibs, Turkey. The owner of Akalay Film, Emre Kanak, and owner of Ansari Shah Films, Kashif Ansari, is the mastermind behind this exciting project. The cast of Salahaddin Ayyubi series is still being finalized, and preparations are in full swing for an incredible production. This series aims to bring to life the inspiring story of Salahaddin Ayyubi, a hero who fought bravely and liberated Jerusalem from the Crusaders after 88 years of occupation. And here's the best part. Salahaddin Ayyubi series is planned to have not just one, but 3 exciting seasons. Shooting of the series will start from mid of July. So mark your calendars and get ready to witness Ibrahim Celikkol's remarkable portrayal of Salahaddin Ayyubi in this epic series. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on this and other exciting projects. Until next time, take care and stay tuned.